in terms of location, you're located in New Hampshire, and obviously it started in a father-in-law's garage. But is there a reason that you stayed there?
Yeah, so there's a couple of reasons. Number one, I grew up in New Hampshire, and my wife also, her family settled here, and we met at Keene State College. So when we were in California looking at what's next for us, 2009 was not a great time to start a business, but it was a great time to start a business. You know, the housing market was crashing out, and so people weren't hiring. So if you wanted a job, you started a business. So New Hampshire made sense. We came home. Our kids were a little bit younger then. Also, from a labor standpoint, we knew we could find high quality labor here in New Hampshire. There's a lot of manufacturing, as well as, again, going back to that outsourced model of production. I knew from experience that there was electronics here and sheet metal here and lots of machine shops in the area. So we outsource that to within an hour typically. And I would say 95% of the product we put into our products are made within an hour or two of the building, with first and second generation family owned companies. And that doesn't mean small. You know, our sheet metal the primary sheet metal fender has got, I think, 80,000 square feet and 180 employees. And we have multiples of that we work with. So it allows us to ebb and flow. And New Hampshire has been very good to us.